Hey, what's up guys, this is Buddy from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. In today's video, I will show you guys how to get battery percentage on your iPhone status bar while charging. With the help of app, you can get this animation plus battery percentage on the status bar while charging. Don't worry, you don't need to jailbreak your device. Now, before I go further, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. To get animation like this and battery percentage, you will need an app, and the app name is called Charging Animation Play. It's pretty simple app. Link of the app will be mentioned in the description. So just download the app. Now let me show you guys how to set up. So just select which animation you want from these two. They are free, and to use these two you need subscription. So let's go with the free one. Now just close the app and go to the shortcut app. Then over here tap on automation. As I already have made an automation for myself, let me delete that for you guys. Now tap on plus and create new automation. Then over here scroll down and tap on charger. Here choose the connected option, then tap on next. Over here tap on open app, and from this list select the app charging animation. Now tap on next. Disable ask before running, and if you are in iOS 15.4 you will get this notify when run. Make sure to turn this off also. Now tap on done and you are good to go. Now you can see battery percentage and this animation while your device is at charging. You will get three colors: red, yellow and green. It will be according to your battery percentage. So that's how you can get battery percentage at your iPhone status bar while charging. Let me know what do you think about this app in the comment box. And that's all for the video. I hope this video was helpful. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you in the next one. Peace.